If you're not harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to boost your income, you're missing out. AI isn't just the stuff of sci-fi anymore, it's infiltrating every corner of our world, and if you play it right, it can turn your side hustle into a main gig. In this guide, we're going to break down 15 fun, edgy, and innovative ways to cash in on AI. Some are simple, others require a bit of know-how, but all of them can be serious moneymakers. Let's dive in. 1. Sell AI-generated art. In the world of digital art, AI is like your new favorite tool. Apps like DALL-E 2, Midjourney and Deep Dream allow anyone to create stunning images with a few simple prompts. Sure, it sounds like cheating, but the output is fire. People are buying AI-generated artwork for their websites, presentations, or even physical prints. How to start: use tools like DALL-E or Deep Dream. Set up an Etsy or Redbubble shop. Upload your creations and voila, you're in business. 2. Create music with AI. The AI music wave is here to stay, and it's opening doors for aspiring music producers everywhere. If you've always wanted to drop a track but have zero musical talent, no problem. AI platforms like Amper Music, Soundraw.io, and Boomi let you create custom tracks without breaking a sweat. Once you've made some killer tunes, sell them on stock music sites like Audio Jungle, or use them as background music in YouTube videos, podcasts, or ads. How to start? Experiment with AI music generators like Boomi or Soundraw. Sell your AI-made beats or tracks on royalty-free music platforms. Collect royalties and watch your AI tunes make you passive income. 3. Build AI chatbots for businesses. Businesses are obsessed with automating their customer service, and chatbots are the new MVPs. If you know your way around chatbot platforms like ChatGPT, Tidio, or ManyChat, you can start offering your services to small businesses who want to add some AI magic to their website or social media. How to start: learn the basics of building bots on popular platforms. A little trial and error will get you there. Reach out to local businesses or create a Fiverr gig. Charge for building, maintaining, or upgrading chatbot systems. AI-powered copywriting. Content creation can be a grind, but with AI, you can churn out blog posts, product descriptions, social media updates, and even full-fledged articles in minutes. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai are basically copywriting on steroids, helping you produce high-quality content that can be sold to businesses, bloggers, and marketers. So, how to start? Sign up for Jasper or Copy.ai. Offer freelance copywriting services or content creation packages. Crush the competition with your AI-enhanced efficiency. Create an AI-generated blog. Blogging is so 2005. Unless you supercharge it with AI, you can now start a blog without having to spend hours writing posts. AI tools like Surfer SEO and Growth Bar can help you create optimized content that ranks high on Google. Automate the writing, get affiliate links or ad revenue going, and watch the passive income roll in. How to start? Pick a niche. AI will even help you with this. How meta? Use AI tools to write posts and optimize for SEO. Set up a monetization plan with affiliate marketing, ad placements, or sponsored posts. Sell AI-powered video editing services. AI tools like Runway ML, Pictory, and Lumen 5 make video editing a breeze, turning raw footage into polished, professional videos in record time. If you've ever dreamed of running a YouTube editing business or want to help influencers with social media videos, these tools can cut down your editing time and help you handle more clients. So, how to start? Learn to navigate AI video editing tools. Market yourself as a video editor on Fiverr, Upwork, or even social media. Charge premium rates for AI-powered, quick turnaround edits. 7. Create AI voices and sell them. Voiceovers are a lucrative market, and you don't even need to sound like Morgan Freeman to get in on the action. Tools like Replica Studios and Resemble.ai let you generate realistic AI voices. Whether it's for audiobooks, YouTube narration, ads, or podcasts, these tools can help you create in-demand voiceovers. How to start? Use AI voice generation tools to create various voiceovers. Sell them on freelancing platforms or directly to content creators. Create packages or subscriptions for regular customers. 8. AI-powered stock photos. Yes, people are paying real money for photos generated by AI. Tools like "this person does not exist" can create hyper-realistic photos of people that don't actually exist. These AI-generated images are perfect for marketers, content creators, and even publications who need unique, copyright-free images. How to start use AI tools to generate stock photos. Upload them to stock photo platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Get paid every time someone downloads your AI-generated pics. 9. Write AI-powered books. Self-publishing just got a high-tech upgrade. With AI writing tools, you can co-author books, everything from self-help guides to fantasy novels. Whether you want to write a quick ebook for passive income or create an entire series, AI can help you with plot generation, character development, and even dialogue. How to start use AI platforms like Jasper or Pseudowrite to generate book content. Publish on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP. Market your AI written masterpiece and rake in those royalties. Offer AI-generated logo design. No design skills? No problem. AI design tools like Looka and Hatchful can whip up logos in minutes. You can create logos for businesses, influencers, or startups and charge a pretty penny for what only takes a few clicks. How to start use Looka or Hatchful to generate logos. Offer custom logo creation on freelancing sites or direct to businesses. Add branding packages to boost your income stream. Create AI-generated NFTs. NFTs are still a hot commodity, and AI-generated art is making waves in the NFT space. Use AI tools to create unique, eye-catching art pieces, then mint them as NFTs and sell them on platforms like OpenSea. How to start use AI to generate unique pieces of digital art. Mint your NFTs and list them on marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. Engage with the NFT community to drive up interest and prices. AI-powered voice chatbots for streamers. Twitch streamers and YouTubers are all about engagement, and what's more engaging than an AI bot that chats back? Tools like Streamlabs have AI-powered options for adding chatbots to streams, helping streamers interact with their audience in real time. If you're good at setting these up, you can offer your services to streamers looking to level up their interaction. How to start. Learn how to set up Streamlabs or custom AI bots. Offer bot setup services for streamers and content creators. Charge for maintenance and bot improvements. 13. Offer AI-generated social media content. Everyone's racing to post more, but quality content takes forever to produce, unless you're using AI. Tools like Lately, Hootsuite, and Buffer can generate engaging social media posts that are optimized for likes and shares. Offer businesses AI-powered content creation packages that take their social media presence from meh to amazing. How to start use AI tools to create and schedule social media posts. Market yourself as a social media strategist or content creator. Create monthly packages for consistent clients and keep the cash flowing. 14. AI-powered virtual assistants. Become a digital hero by offering AI-powered virtual assistant services. With tools like X.AI and Clockwise, you can automate tasks like scheduling, meeting reminders, and more. By combining AI with your personal touch, you can handle multiple clients without burnout. How to start. Set up AI-powered tools to manage client tasks. Offer virtual assistant services on freelancing platforms. Upsell additional organizational tools and watch your income grow. 15. AI-driven market research services. Businesses are dying for insights into their competitors, target audience, and future trends. AI tools like Crimson Hexagon, BuzzSumo, and Brand24 can help you provide deep-dive reports that take hours off traditional research methods. Businesses will pay handsomely for accurate, timely reports that keep them ahead of the curve. How to start. Learn to use AI tools for competitive analysis and trend tracking. Offer market research packages to small businesses or startups. Become a go-to source for AI-driven insights and grow your client base. Final thoughts. How to level up with AI. The opportunities for making money with AI are endless. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of quitting your 9-to-5, these AI-powered methods can get you there faster than ever. The best part? AI is only going to get smarter and more intuitive, meaning the potential for profit is set to skyrocket. So why wait? Dive into one or more of these ideas and start making that AI money today.